Welcome back to my channel Home Tasty Food. Hey guys, I love you all because you made my channel to another extent level. It's 2k subscriber. It's a very nice, quite decent family I have now on my YouTube channel. And come, I'll show you how I made these ripen banana wafers. Before that, please subscribe to my channel.
So let's find out which all ingredients you will need to prepare this. First, begin with heating some oil in a frying pan. I am heating oil on a low flame. We need to heat the oil beforehand because we are going to slice raw bananas directly into the hot oil. But keep in mind that we need to heat the oil on a low flame. Before starting, let me show you the type of banana or you can use. These are easily available in the market. If you want market like bananas, so the way you get in a market with some salt and black pepper sprinkled over it, then this is the best banana which is ripen, and this I get from my own farm. These bananas which is a bit bigger in size than the usual ones. First of all, trim both the edges of the raw bananas. Then make light slit on the raw banana peels at equal distance with a sharp knife. Gently remove the peel using your fingers. See how easily I am able to peel the bananas. By taking care not to damage the raw bananas, following this peel rest of the banana. While peeling the banana, your hand might get sticky. To avoid that, you can grease your palm with some oil. See, our raw banana is ready. So next step is combine the half teaspoon of salt into 4 tablespoons of water in a small cup or bowl and mix well till the salt dissolves completely. So I am going to use this potato slicer to slice the raw bananas. Using this slicer, we will directly slice raw bananas into hot oil. As we know, banana slices tends to stick to one another, so they are sliced directly into hot oil and it gets really difficult to fry them. That is the reason we slice them directly into the hot oil. Let's begin to slice them. Now slice the banana directly into hot oil using a slicer like this. See how beautiful it is turning out. Keep slicing the bananas until your frying pan is full. For first 1 minute, fry them without touching them with any spatula or anything. Then add in a teaspoon of salt water. After adding the water, let them fry for some time on a medium flame. You can stir in between with the frying strainer. You will get an idea once it is crispy and a little firm. But one thing you have to keep in note that take care while adding salt water, because once salt water is dropped into oil, there is a lot of oil sprinkling out. Because of salt water, you will see lot of bubbles into oil. Once the oil stops bubbling, that means your chips are almost ready. So fry the batch until the bubbling completely stops to get crispy and firm chips. You can see now it is almost ready and it's look like firm and crispy. Yes, one more thing is there, that don't worry if some of the chips get stuck with one another. It will get separated once you remove them in a plate. See how beautiful it looks. Fry rest of the batches like this. So here the perfectly crispy homemade banana chips are ready. If you want, you can also sprinkle chili powders or some black pepper powder over it. Once the chips have cooled down, store them in an airtight container. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.